Welcome back, students. In my previous session I have discussed about customizing the taskbar. So this taskbar, how we can customize, customizing in the sense how we can change some of the settings and we can set it as per our requirement. In today's session we will discuss all about icons. So these are the icons which is present on the desktop screen. Now first of all, we'll see what is icon. Icons are small pictures that represent files, folders and programs. So this icon, so these are the small pictures, you can see. So these are the small pictures, and these pictures represent a files or represent a program or represent a folder. Yes. So for folder, one different type of icon, for a program one different type of icon, okay, for a file one different types of icon, means picture. Okay. Icon means picture, so that represent a file, folder or program. The icons play a very important role in graphical user interface. So in a GUI, so this icon plays very important role, because by looking at that icon easily we can understand, so this program is belongs to what. Okay, so for which application this program belongs, easily we can understand. So let us learn some of the commonly used icons. So that is given. The first of one is computer. So this computer icon, so when you double click, see here, what you get when you double click, it gives view of available drives. So let me open this. How to open? Just double click or single click and press enter key on your keyboard. So now I am going to double click, so 2 times. So when I double click, so this is the computer icon. After opening, it appears like this. Here it displays a list of drives. So these are the drives and their contents, and you can see the size of that drives also. So double clicking on any drive opens again, or it displays the files and folders contained in that drive. For example, if I double click on this operating system, again it displays a list of files and folders it contains. Okay, so let me go back one step. So if I double click here, it displays a list of files and folders of that particular drive. So this is computer icon. So just you have to double click on that particular drive, you will get the files and folders which is present in that particular drive. Next is application icons. Application icons means that software icons which is installed in your system. These are the graphical images that give a quick access to the related application. For example, now this Acrobat Reader. So if I double click, it represents PDF files. Okay, so PDF files which is present, this Acrobat Reader represent PDF files. So this Photoshop represent Photoshop icons application. Okay, then this Google Chrome application. That particular application represent one specific program. Next is shortcut icons. A shortcut is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application, document or a folder. Here, so this shortcut icons, it contains a direct route to a specific application. For example, so first of all we will see how we can understand the icon is shortcut icon. Okay, it has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. You can see here. So on that lower left corner you have an arrow. So one arrow mark is given. Okay, but you don't have that arrow mark for computer, network, recycle bin and all. But for this you have a small arrow. So if you have the small arrow for that icon, means this is a shortcut icon. Shortcut icon. So its location is different. Means its location is somewhere else in this system. Instead of going to that location, directly we are opening. For example, now if you want to see the location, just right click and you can see here, open file location. Its location is here, where in this. So this is the location. See, computer, operating system C, program files, Google folder, Chrome folder. In that application, in that application folder we have this chrome.exe. So now if you do not have the shortcut, then so these many steps you have to come inside to open this Google Chrome. Got it? Same way, so if you want to see the location, okay, right click on that icon and you can click on open file location. You will see the locations. So this is the location. Operating system C, program files, Adobe, Acrobat Reader DC reader. So in that we have Acro RD32.exe. okay. So now every time it is not possible to come for this location, so that's why. So what happened, we have created the shortcut icon, directly we can open. Instead of going to that location, you can click it here and you can open it. Next is the document icons. The active document window of an application can be minimized to a document icon which gets placed on the taskbar. You can restore the document window by clicking on the document icon. So for example, now let me open Microsoft Word document. Okay, see, now window is open, Microsoft Word window is open. Now when I click on this minimize window, see that document window, it gets placed on the taskbar. Again when you click on this document icon, it gets maximized. Okay. So this is the way, so that point is given. So when you minimize, again it gets placed on a taskbar, and you can restore the document window by clicking on the document icon. So by clicking on that document icon, you can again maximize. So next is the network icon. Here network icon is here. It allows you to access the shared files or devices on different computers in a network environment. Here, this network icon allows you to set the network, in the sense if you want to connect your system with other system. So in that case, you need to use these network icons to set that system or devices, or if you want to connect the internet and all. So in that cases, this network icon helps us. Okay. Next is recycle bin. So this is a recycle bin. So this recycle bin folder holds all the deleted files and folders. Okay. The deleted files or folders can be restored to their original location from the recycle bin. So this is a recycle bin. So when you delete, for example, this notes, I am going to delete this. So right click and select the delete option and click on yes button. Now what happened, that folder moved to recycle bin. You can see your notes. Again you can get it back, this notes folder, you can get it back to this location, in the sense restore. Right click on that folder and you can click on restore option. It gets restored, means from where you have deleted, it gets placed in that original location. So this is recycle bin. I hope you have understood this icons. Okay. So one is computer icon, application icon, then shortcut icons, document icon, network and recycle bin icon. Okay. So in my next class we'll see how to customize the desktop. Customizing means how we can change the background, color scheme and all. Okay. So thank you for watching.